Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a question that many people have. What's the difference between baking soda and baking powder? These two look alike, but they're not the same. Knowing how they work, when to use each, and when to be cautious is essential. What are baking soda and baking powder? Let's start with baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a single-ingredient compound. It's commonly used in baking as a leavening agent, which means it helps baked goods rise. But here's the catch: for baking soda to activate and create those bubbles, it needs an acid, like lemon juice, buttermilk, or vinegar. On the other hand, baking powder is a bit more complex. It contains baking soda plus an acid, usually cream of tartar, and a drying agent like cornstarch. Unlike baking soda, baking powder doesn't need an external acid to activate. So it's great for recipes that don't already have acidic ingredients. Let's look at their purposes beyond the kitchen. Baking soda is a superstar beyond baking. It's incredibly versatile as a natural cleaner. You can use it to remove stains, eliminate odors, and scrub tough areas like tile grout or even the inside of an oven. But here's a quick tip: avoid using baking soda on wood surfaces. Since it's slightly abrasive, it can leave scratches on polished wood tables, floors, or even cutting boards. For baking powder, it's a bit less versatile outside the kitchen but perfect when you need a lift in recipes without needing an additional acidic ingredient. Some of the health benefits and when to be cautious with baking soda. Here's something you might not know about baking soda: it has some health applications too. People with kidney disease sometimes use sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, as an antacid to help manage metabolic acidosis. Studies even show that baking soda can help slow the progression of kidney disease by balancing the pH of the blood. It can help to alleviate urinary tract infections, UTIs. Baking soda may help neutralize acidic urine, potentially easing UTI discomfort. A common method is to dissolve half teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it, but consult your doctor before use, as it may not be suitable for everyone. Overall, baking soda appears to be an easy, inexpensive way to improve UTI symptoms accompanied by acidic urine with little to no unwanted side effects. Antifungal and antibacterial. Baking soda is also effective to use for various fungal groups including yeasts, dermatophytes and molds that cause skin and nail infections in humans. Get itchy skin relief. Baking soda can soothe itching from bug bites, rashes, or sunburn. Mix a paste with baking soda and a little water, apply it to the affected area, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Baking soda has mild abrasive properties that can gently remove surface stains on teeth. Sprinkle a small amount on toothpaste and brush gently, though it's best to limit this to once or twice a week to avoid enamel damage. But be careful before using baking soda as a health remedy. It's essential to consult your doctor. Overusing it, especially if you have a medical condition, can lead to side effects like high blood pressure or stomach issues. Also, keep in mind that baking soda is not recommended to be mixed with bleach, ammonia, or alcohol because these combinations can produce dangerous reactions. Here's how baking soda can be used for various household tasks, making it an all-in-one cleaner and deodorizer. Remove scuff marks and crayon stains. Baking soda's mild abrasiveness allows it to gently remove scuff marks and crayon stains from walls or floors. Simply sprinkle baking soda onto a damp cloth or sponge, rub the area gently, and wipe it clean with a soft cloth. It unclogs and deodorizes a smelly sink drain. To freshen up a drain, pour a half cup of baking soda followed by a half cup of vinegar down the drain. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then flush with hot water. This combination helps dislodge minor clogs and neutralize odors. Make a paste with baking soda and water, then apply it to grout lines. Let it sit for a few minutes, scrub with a brush and rinse. This method brightens grout lines by lifting grime and mildew. Deodorize a kitty litter box. Baking soda neutralizes odors effectively. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda at the bottom of the litter box before adding fresh litter to help reduce unwanted smells. For oven cleaning, create a baking soda paste with water and spread it over the interior. Let it sit overnight, then scrub away grime and residue and wipe clean. This helps loosen baked-on grease and remove odors without harsh chemicals. Deodorizing carpets. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over carpets and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes before vacuuming. This helps absorb odors and freshen up the space. To clean hairbrushes and combs, soak them in a mixture of warm water and baking soda. Helps remove residue from hair products, dirt, and oils, leaving tools fresh and clean. 1. Sprinkle baking soda inside shoes to neutralize odors. 1. Let it sit overnight, then shake out the excess. 1. This helps eliminate bacteria-causing odors without leaving a strong fragrance. 1. Baking soda is effective for cleaning plastic shower curtains. Sprinkle it onto a damp sponge and scrub the curtain, then rinse it off. This removes soap scum and mildew while keeping the curtain fresh. These applications make baking soda an invaluable, eco-friendly tool in household cleaning, offering cost-effective and non-toxic solutions for various surfaces. It's best to perform patch tests before applying it to sensitive surfaces or skin and consult a healthcare provider for medical uses, especially for internal consumption. The shelf life and storage of these products. Baking soda is usually good indefinitely past its best-by date, although its potency can decline over time. For an unopened package, it can last around 2 years, and for an open package, about 6 months. Baking powder, however, does have a shelf life, so it's best to replace it every 6 months to a year to ensure the best results in your baking. Now that you know the differences, here's a question for you. Have you ever mistakenly used baking soda instead of baking powder or vice versa? How did it turn out? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next video.